Hank here from Kegworks. Today we're going to show you 4 ways to use tonic waters that go above and beyond your standard gin and tonic. The key to this is using premium tonic waters like the ones created by Fever Tree. We've chosen 4 varieties of their tonic water to create 4 pairings that go along with the 4 seasons of the year. But you can enjoy these drinks at any time of the year. Let's get started. For spring, we pair gin with Fever Tree Mediterranean tonic water. This tonic water has less quinine than standard tonic water and has hints of rosemary and lemon thyme. Pairing this with a premium gin results in a drink full of floral notes that will help you welcome the return of flowers and warmer temperatures. First, add ice to your glass. Add 2 ounces of gin. Now top with Fever Tree Mediterranean tonic water. Finally, garnish with a rosemary sprig. For summer, we pair silver tequila with Fever Tree citrus tonic water. Fever Tree's citrus tonic water features a complex yet delicious blend of limes, tangerines, and oranges that, when paired with tequila, creates a refreshing drink to help you cool off on hot summer days. Start by adding ice to your glass. Now, add 2 ounces of silver tequila. Then, top with Fever Tree citrus tonic water. Finally, garnish with a lime wedge. For fall, we pair Campari with Fever Tree Indian tonic water. The bittersweet flavor of Campari is enhanced by Fever Tree's Indian tonic water, a premium take on a classic mixer. First, add ice to your glass. Add 2 ounces of Campari and top with Fever Tree Indian tonic water. Finish by garnishing with an orange swath. For winter, we pair rye whiskey with Fever Tree Elderflower tonic water. The delicate floral properties paired with the soft bitterness from the quinine makes Fever Tree's Elderflower tonic water a perfect match for the spiciness of rye whiskey, creating a perfect highball drink to help keep the winter's chill away. Add some ice to your glass. 2 ounces of rye whiskey. Now top with Fever Tree Elderflower tonic water. Finally, garnish with a lemon swath. We hope these 4 Fever Tree tonic water cocktails will get you started with trying new ways to mix premium tonic water. Of course, these 4 varieties are only a few of the ones available on kegworks.com. Comment below and let us know your favorite spirit and tonic water pairing. Cheers!